Hi everyone. We have the second lesson for coordinate geometry, and the aspect of coordinate geometry we are dealing with now is mainly for straight lines. Yeah, because we have other cases or other aspects of coordinate geometry. So we are still dealing with distance between 2 points. The first video, of course, I discussed something very much important concerning distance between 2 points. We derived the formula, and of course, we solve two problems. Okay, so for lesson two, the problem says given 2 points A and B, and these 2 points A and B are 5 meters apart. So, what do you understand by 5 meters apart? 5 meters apart simply tells you that the distance between A and B is 5 units. Sorry, not meters, units. Point A and B are 5 units apart. 5 units apart simply tells you that the distance between A and B is 5 units. Okay. So, but according to the distance formula, it says distance AB is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This is the distance between 2 points. And here we are discussing which points A and B. But the distance between A and B is given as 5 units. So we say 5. Okay. But before I move with this, we are given points A as 1, 2, B, 4, Y. So this is representing X, this is representing X, this is representing Y, this is representing Y. The first value, the first coordinate is for X, and the second is for Y, always, all the time. So this is the first X, this is the second X. First Y, second Y. Okay. So according to the formula now, distance AB, of course, we are given distance AB to be 5. So AB is 5 equal to the square root of x2. What is x2? 4 minus, how about x1? x1 is 1 square. Here is a plus. y2. y2 is y minus, how about y1 is 2 square. So we say 5 equal to the root of 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 squared. Y minus 2 is y minus 2. I hope it is clear. Okay. So see what we do. This is 5 equal to the root of what is 3 squared is 9. Is 9. Is that understood? Okay. So this one is y minus 2 squared. So if you did a topic we call surds, one term, it is easier for us to square both sides. So if you square both sides, we have a square here, we have a square here. So 5 squared is 25 equal to. So we always, whenever you square a square root, the root will disappear. You square a square root, the root will disappear. So we have 9 plus y minus 2 squared. Okay, so this is 25. 9 goes to the left, the sign changes to minus. On the right, we have y minus 2 squared. So 25 minus 9 is 16. Y minus 2 squared. Okay, so this is just the same as y minus 2 squared, rewriting the same thing equal to 16. It's like saying if A is equal to B, it is the same as B is equal to A. But we have this fact that says if A square is X, then if you ignore the square, we take the square root of the other side, which is X. So if we ignore the square, y minus 2. We ignore the square. What happens to the other side? Square root of 16. So we say y minus 2 equal to, what is square root of 16? Is 4. So y is equal to 4. We move this to the other side to become plus 2. So our y is 6. So this is what we have for the second lesson. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.